The definition of Islamic Financial Services Board (IFSB) is an international standard-setting organization that promotes and enhances the soundness and stability of the Islamic financial services industry by issuing global prudential standards and guiding principles for the industry, broadly defined to include banking, capital markets, and insurance sectors. The IFSB also conducts research and coordinates initiatives on industry-related issues, as well as organizes roundtables, seminars, and conferences for regulators and industry stakeholders. There are some objectives in IFSB. The objectives are to enhance and coordinate initiatives to develop instruments and procedures for efficient operations and risk management. Secondly, to encourage cooperation amongst member countries in developing the Islamic financial services industry. Thirdly, to facilitate training and personal development in skills in areas relevant to the effective regulation of the Islamic financial services industry and related markets.
The mission of the IFSB is to promote the stability and resilience of the Islamic financial services industry. The IFSB seeks to achieve its mission through the issuance and facilitating the implementation of global and prudential and supervisory standards and other initiatives that foster knowledge sharing and cooperation. The IFSB functions by promoting the development of a prudent and transparent Islamic financial services industry through introducing new standards or adapting existing international standards consistent with Sharia principles and recommending them for adoption.
A set of core values drive the operation of the IFSB. These core values are universal and apply in all aspects of its operation. They are seen as crucial in the running of the IFSB operation. IFSB core value number 1 is accountability. Number 2 is collaboration. And number 3 is responsive. And lastly is integrity. This effort will indeed place us on a path to realizing our quest and shared aspiration for a more resilient and sound global Islamic financial system. It is also timely for the IFSB to elevate its level of engagement and connectivity with other international standard-setting bodies. It would enable the framework for financial stability in the context of Islamic finance to interface with the agreement that exists for the conventional financial system. That's all.